What's the proper way to orient your nail gun when you're firing nails? This way or this way? I'm Ron Paulk, and this is my Smart Woodshop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart bench, a smart station, any of the accessories that work with the smart system, or the Smart Woodshop itself, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Believe it or not, it does make a difference whether you orient the gun this way or this way. If you take a close look at a nail, particularly these 18 gauge finish nails, I happen to use these 2-inch version for most of my finish carpentry. I have other nails I use too, but this is my primary go-to. There is a slight head on it, and if you look at the tip, it almost looks like it's flat, but there is a bevel on it. In fact, if you really want to see it, take your smartphone, take a picture and blow it up. See a lot better than you can see with your eyes. But it bevels on the side in both directions. So not long ways, but on the side. So there is a direction then, it's carving in, and if it wants to track off one way or another, it's going to go right or left as opposed to going this direction or this direction. It means when you orient the nail gun, let's use this as an example. Say we're at a door frame and we're putting a piece of trim on. If we put the nail gun this orientation, most of the time it's going to do fine. It's going to fire straight in and you'll have no issues at all. So whether you're this way or this way, again, most of the time you're not going to see any difference. What will happen though is if you're slightly tipped one way or the other, or if the nail has some kind of resistance in the wood, it is going to track off to the right or to the left, which is going to show in your trim. If we orient it this way, then if the nail tracks off to the right or the left, it's going to be in the material. I'll go ahead and shoot a couple of nails. Odds of me getting one to deflect are not going to happen usually, but just in case, we'll see. I'm going into a 1/2-inch piece of plywood, and that will help it deflect a little bit more than if I were going into a piece of 3/4 or 18 mil. Okay, it did happen. I was not expecting it, but so these nails you saw me orient in this direction and these three that direction, and we're good out here on the inside. 1, 2, 3, all three of them deflected to the inside. The other two, they did not. So if they deflected, they went left or right. So it won't make a difference most of the time if you're holding the nail gun perfectly straight, you got a wider piece of material, and it meets no resistance. But go ahead and rotate your gun so that the nail can deflect to either side of the gun, and if it does, you'll get a second chance because you're going along the material and it'll stay internal. If you found this tip helpful, if it'll make you just that much more professional, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of the videos we put up here at the Smart Woodshop, subscribe, but also ring the bell so YouTube will tell you every time we put up a new video. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Woodshop.